Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth part of our Power Query course. So we'll be going to more details how Power Query actually operates. So in this video we will go to a web page and find a table and load it into an Excel file. So I have selected a page. It has two bigger tables. This is first one, little more detailed one, and there is another which is also a detailed one, but both has different headers. So we will select one of these tables to be extracted right in our Excel file that to the page, and once the page is updated right on the web, the Excel file available in our computer will automatically update it. Hope this looks interesting, so let's little go to more details and see how it operates. This is a simplest possible option to extract the data from any of the web page. One of these two bigger tables you can select at your own, but I have selected one of these. So simply you need to you can simply go to get and transform and find the option of web, and or you can go directly to the quick access options available right in front. It will take you to a window asking you to paste the link of the page. Copy the link and paste it here and simply click the OK button. Till time it will ask you some authentications. You need to simply go ahead and click OK for everything, and the tables list is in front of you. It will load all the tables available on the web page. You need to simply go to one by one and see its preview. I have chosen one of them which was earlier we have seen, and it's table number 9. So what I'm looking for, once I find it, let's preview it first and then click to the transform. Once you click to the transform data, it will take a little time and the table 9 is being loaded into your Excel file. Again, we are starting with a very simple case. We will handle a little more complex cases in later videos, but again, for now we have a single table. Once it is completely loaded, it will show in query editor, which we have discussed details in our last video. We have understood all the options separately. So all the columns which were available in table 9 are now extracted in front of you in a preview of the transform data. So first thing I would suggest to change the column names because it's not reflecting as it was reflecting in the web page. So simply change the column headers as per your requirement. So in the right side in the query setting, you can see two options. One is the table name and the second is the listed steps which we have just applied. Some of the steps were already applied by a query editor once we have loaded the data, but one step which we have added is to change the column headers. Let's change the name of the query as well. So one by one, see if the type is correctly reflecting. I'm giving you one example. If this is the depth information in billions, that should be in decimals or minimum in whole numbers, but as in billions, that's so it will go to the decimal places also. So you need to simply see how the data is reflecting and change the data types. Steps we have done right here are now listed. You simply go to file and close and load. Then all your table information available on the web page is in front of you in an Excel file. That whenever the web page is going to be updated, the whole of your Excel sheet will be updated right with the refresh button. Whatever was available on the web page is now in. Would suggest to analyze this data in pivot table. Simply insert a pivot table, insert country and any of the value field here. You can also go to insert and insert a bar chart, and any way of your presentation you wish. You can go to a pie chart or a bar chart or a donut chart or anything else. So again, whatever our base purpose was, it was to load the data from a web page and load into an Excel file and show into a presentable manner. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for your time. Jazakallah.